Hi, I'm happy that you've joined me this morning. Today I'm desk bound. I'm working on my proposal for the forthcoming book, The Struggle for Justice, Equity, and Peace in the Global Classroom. So I'm writing two chapters. One focuses on school children across the globe, the unique, innovative, and interesting ways in which they learn, and how teachers are responding to their needs. My goal here is to develop a broader understanding of how teachers create cultural spaces for children in classrooms, regardless of where they're located, and how those students occupy that space, a kind of agency that they bring to their teaching and learning, and how teachers respond to that. Ultimately, I would like to have a set of recommendations for all educators across the globe, how to tap into the common humanity of all children and of all teachers as well, and use that as a strategy to create pedagogy that honors each child's cultural background and their particular way of knowing. The second chapter looks at how teachers are teaching across the globe. Makes sense, right? Um, I want to develop an understanding of how teachers are handling the challenges that they face, how they're breaking down borders and barriers and making the classroom come alive in respectful ways that honor children's human dignity, elevate their humanity, and propel them towards achievement. I would love to hear from teachers across the globe to honor and uplift their voices, and of course, to acknowledge and credit them in this writing as well. So don't hesitate if you have some thoughts, perspectives, ideas. Do not hesitate to share them with me, and you will, of course, be duly acknowledged. Thanks much.